Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I did order the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra from the Samsung website, official website, and let me quickly show you the quick unboxing experience. So how it's gonna be there. And the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which has got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, so which is the latest and powerful chipset. And you can see the packaging is really very good. So here's the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So here's a quick unboxing review of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So this is a 512GB variant which I did order. So 512GB model. So let's do the quick unboxing review. And this is the green color version which I did order as well. So this is the exact version which I did order, Samsung Galaxy S24. So along with the phone we do get the Type-C to Type-C cable and some papers as well, and SIM card pin. So let's remove the screen guard, so which is there on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So this is the exact back panel design the phone looks like. As you can see, the box wrap design. And right now I do have the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and S22 Ultra as well. Definitely do a lot of comparison with other smartphones, so stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So right now I'm trying to turn this phone on, and let's see whether this has got any kind of power in this device or not at this moment. So out of the box unboxing. And definitely I did like this color, the light green type of color. And I'm going to do definitely a lot of comparisons regarding the performance and the display and the camera comparisons. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested on more videos by comparison. So let me set the phone device completely. And I'm going to be back in the upcoming videos uploading comparison videos and doing the performance testing videos on this S24 Ultra. So these are just unboxing video, guys. So meanwhile, stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching. And bye. And actually the price of this phone is about close to $1,100 and $200, so US dollars. So if you use a trade-in offer, you will be getting a very discount as well, close to $500 to $600 as well, depending on the smartphone what you trade in. So I did use the S21 Ultra to trade with this S24 Ultra, and final price it came down to around $750. So to buy this S24 Ultra. To quickly go through the settings option and show you the storage. So is the storage, and right now as you can see friends, out of 512GB, so close to 26.3GB is used. And right now I didn't install any applications, so these are the by default applications which came with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra as well. So without any kind of install applications. And RAM availability you can see, out of 12GB, so 5.7GB is available at this moment. And right now let me do clear everything. So right now all the apps are completely clear from the background, and let me try to even clear the multitasking applications as well, and then we'll try to see. And 6.9GB is available, as you can see friends. So this is the overall RAM and storage availability in the S24 Ultra after initial unboxing of this device. Let me quickly show you right now what will be the available RAM. So this is the overall available RAM and the storage in this device. So meanwhile, thank you for watching. Until next video for more updates, and bye.